how does EUDR impact pulp and paper mills? EUDR has a significant impact on pulp and paper mills because they have to provide much more visibility into the supply chain. Mills now need to track where their raw materials come from, sometimes down to the very specific source location. The challenge is raw materials can often come from many different suppliers and get mixed together during production, which makes it more difficult to trace. Companies are now having to gather more data and keep more detailed records about where their materials are coming from in order to prove their products meet requirements. If companies can't satisfy these requirements for EUDR, they risk being fined or even losing access to the European market. So what this means is traceability and data visibility are becoming very critical for companies who operate in the European market. Companies that have strong systems in place to track and manage their data are in a much better position to be able to meet these requirements.